All right, we got the motor out. Gonna go through it, see what she looks like inside, see how the stock crank was dealing with the stress. Probably do some upgrades as well. We had some higher than desired cylinder leakage past the rings, so we're gonna see what's going on there. See if any of the rods are bent or anything like that, since I feel I was pushing a little harder than I probably should have. So I'm gonna start tearing it down here very soon and see what's going on. Like I said, some upgrades on the bottom end, so we'll see what happens there. Got a wet boot. All the dirt fell in. Come on. Let's fit these dowels extremely tight. Not sure if you noticed. So overall, it's definitely appear to be worn for sure. I don't see any crosshatch in them at all. So on 750s like that, that's cool. Cometic MLX head gaskets appear to be doing their job. Yeah, we're in that cylinder wall stuff so far. Well, that's the bottom, it looks good. Sit there and all the grime. Knock this one up since I have that other head on. Bearing's falling out. Oh. A little bit of wear there. Right there. Could be an inconsistency in the bearing. Could be crankshaft flex. But otherwise, top of the bearing looks good. Rings look faces look pretty worn, which is expected after seeing that cylinder wall. Oh yeah, there's like an edge on it even. We'll check to make sure this isn't bent, but came out really nice. I'm sure it's not. But DLC coating held up really well. Thanks, Calico. So we'll reuse those in the next one.
Alright, so I just stopped in real quick, kind of talk about Sick the Mag. They have a brand new issue shipping right now, this one right here. You get 4 with your subscription. You get 4 high quality magazines per year, and they are only 25 cents a day. You get over 200, I mean you can see the quality in this, 200 pages, over 200 pages of super high quality, super thick pages. You get to see some really cool drag and drive stuff on this. Almost all of this has been featured in it to some extent or another, either just a picture in the staging lanes or actually a full article like Bob's. I think Rick also had a little quick blurb in there. Don't forget to click the link in the description for Sick the Magazine. You can check out all their merch and also to subscribe.
Cut over the line. That's it. Nothing blatantly obvious.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.